Alright, we're at 10 o'clock, leaving the place where I put up yesterday night. Left side. Alright, let's go. We're visiting Tarantaran Gurdwara Sahib Swere Swere. And then we'll leave for Bir Baba Buddha Sahib. Then the plan is to head to Amritsar today with 20,000 detours, obviously. I think it's round the corner. Aggo appa lena hai right. It's a bit weird to be able to mount a camera on your helmet and roam around in a city of this sort, because people generally don't do that here. In in Delhi, you may still see people doing all of this, so get used to that. All right, this is the way to the Darbar Sahib. I can see the Nishan Sahib right at the end of the road. I'm just hoping there's a good parking over there so that I don't have to worry about carrying all my stuff. That's the that's the thing I pray for the most, that I get someone who can watch over my luggage. In Punjab, that's rarely I've come across a situation where I wasn't able to park or have someone watch over my luggage, because ਇੱਥੇ people are really helpful, ਖਾਸਕਰ ਸੇਵਾਦਾਰ ਜੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. If you request them, they'll definitely. Let's wow.
Gurdwara Shri Tarantaran Sahib was established by the 5th Guru Sahib, Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Now I'll give you a quick reference. Guru Arjan Dev Ji was born to Bibi Pani Ji. Please remember this name, we'll talk about it a little while later as well. And he was born in Govindwal, the land that was blessed by the presence of 8 out of 10 Guru Sahibans. We visited that holy site when we visited Gurdwara Chabara Sahib in Govindwal. Watch day 5 part 2 for that. Now Gurdwara Shri Tarantaran Sahib has the distinction of having the largest sarovar of all the Gurdwaras. A leper asylum was established here by Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the 5th Guru Sahib. And the jal of this sarovar here was used to treat leprosy at the time. Now later Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib came to this Gurdwara and stayed here for some time. Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib also visited Gurdwara Tarantaran Sahib and preached to the Sangat here. Now the foundation stone of the Darbar Sahib here at Tarantaran Sahib was laid by Tantan Baba Buddha Ji. We will in a few minutes be visiting Gurdwara Bir Baba Buddha Sahib Ji. We will speak about Tantan Baba Buddha Ji at the time. Now remember what I told you, right? This place was visited by Guru Har Gobind Sahib, the 6th Guru Sahib too. Now within the Sarovar Parikrama or the periphery, you'll get to darshan Gurdwara Manji Sahib. This place marks the spot where Guru Har Gobind Sahib, the 6th Guru, came when he was travelling from Lahore. Along with him was captured Chandu, who had been arrested by Guru Sahib from Delhi. Now to give you a quick context, Chandu Shah was the governor of Lahore, who was responsible for the torture of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the 5th Guru Sahib. Now Gurdwara Dera Sahib, which is the picture that you see now, is a Gurdwara in Lahore, Pakistan, which commemorates the spot where 5th Guru Sahib, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, was martyred back in 1606. Remember I told you Bibi Pani Ji was the mother of Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the 5th Guru Sahib. She was also the daughter of Shri Guru Amar Das Ji, the wife of Shri Guru Ram Das Ji. And Guru Amar Das Ji was the 3rd Guru Sahib and Guru Ram Das Ji was the 4th Guru Sahib. Bibi Pani Ji would serve food, water and medicine to the lepers, the needy and the Sangat. And that place is marked by Gurdwara Shri Bibi Pani Da Khu, which is about half a kilometer from Gurdwara Tarantaran Sahib. The reason I wanted to mention that is because I wasn't sadly able to visit that place. Hopefully soon, but if you do visit Tarantaran Sahib, you should visit that Gurdwara Sahib. That has a lot of historical significance to it. This Gurdwara Sahib you see in front of you is Gurdwara Bir Baba Buddha Ji, located at a distance of about 20 kilometers from the city of Amritsar. Gurdwara Bir Baba Buddha Sahib is a Sikh shrine in Amritsar dedicated to Baba Buddha Ji, one of the first disciples of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. He was a prominent, revered and a divine figure in Sikhism with his devoted service to 6 Guru Sahibans out of the 10. He served as the first head Granthi or the head priest of the much revered Golden Temple or Harmandir Sahib at Amritsar. He occupies a unique position in Sikh history and in the hearts of all Sikhs. He applied the tilak of Guruship to 5 Guru Sahibs and saw and had the vision of 7 Guru Sahibs, and remained in close association with the first 6 Guru Sahibs for over 100 years. It was the greatness of Guru Nanak Sahib that the seva of applying tilak was given to Baba Buddha Ji, given the fact that he belonged to a so-called low caste of the society. Remember this sculpture from day 5 part 2 video? It shows Baba Buddha Ji applying tilak to Guru Ramdas Ji. We saw this in Goindwal Sahib, Gurdwara Chabara Sahib. Now that I've dropped these knowledge bombs, we're off now to Amritsar. This ride has to be amazing, right? I've been through divine history of over 6 generations of Guru Sahibs just in the last 2 to 3 days, right? I'm off to the spiritual center for all Sikhism now, Sri Harmandir Sahib. I'll see you there. Upon reaching Harmandir Sahib, I checked into a hotel right up the market outside the Gurdwara Sahib. Now that luggage was not a concern, I started to go on foot. This is the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Memorial, built right at the entrance to Jallianwala Bagh. We'll visit that later on in the video. First things first, the thing that I've been waiting for the most, the Golden Temple, also known as the Harmandir Sahib, which literally stands for the abode of God. I've been here tens of times and it never fails to amaze me with its calming energy and the deep seva bhavna that exists all around the place. Now, Sri Harmandir Sahib is an open house of worship for all people from all walks of life and faiths. The 4 entrances stand testimony to that. At the center is the Darbar Sahib, adorned by a Sarovar Sahib surrounding it. The Parikrama or the circumambulation houses many Gurdwara Sahibs and historically significant places. Just around the first corner from the left of the clock tower or the main gate, you're greeted by the Gurdwara Dukh Panjni Beri Sahib. It's a historic berry tree associated with Bibi Rajni Ji. Duni Chand, Bibi Rajni's father, married her to a leper upon taking offense to Bibi Rajni saying that God provides for everyone as opposed to her father. Bibi Rajni accepted the leper as her husband and served him with great love. On her husband's request to go on a pilgrimage, Bibi Rajni procured a basket, put her husband into it, and tenderly bore him on her head to Haridwar, Tribeni, and other places of pilgrimage in the hope of curing him. Now, wandering Bibi Rajni arrived footsore at this very spot. The need for food took Bibi Rajni away from her husband while he waited near the Sarovar. He saw 2 crows fighting for a piece of bread that fell into the water. The crows, when swooped down into the water, came out shining white like swans. Kago Hans Kare. Now, Bibi Rajni's husband crawled into the pond and came out healthy and cured. Right opposite where Gurdwara Dukh Panjni Beri Sahib is, you'll see the world's largest community kitchen or the Langar Hall at Sri Harmandir Sahib. Next up is the shrine of Tan Baba Deep Singh Ji Shaheed. He's one of the most honored martyrs in Sikh history. Remember Takht Sri Damdama Sahib that we saw in day 3 part 1 video? Baba Deep Singh Ji was the first head of Damdami Taksal. Tan Baba Deep Singh Ji Shaheed is one of the most honored martyrs in Sikh history. Baba Deep Singh Ji, in the course of a battle being fought at the outskirts of Amritsar, was beheaded. But having vowed to die in the precincts of Harmandir Sahib, he picked up his head and carried it on his palm while continuing to fight. Upon reaching Harmandir Sahib, he bowed down and lay his head on the parikrama. Here he rejoined with God. Remember Pai Mani Singh Ji from the Itihas at Gurdwara Likhan Sar Sahib at Damdama Sahib, also day 3 part 1 video? Pai Mani Singh Ji was blessed with the seva of compiling banis of Guru Sahibans into the Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. Along with Pai Mani Singh Ji, Baba Deep Singh Ji wrote a number of handwritten copies of the Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj kept at Harmandir Sahib was brought here by Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj on the Palki Sahib we saw in Goindwal, day 5 part 2 video. A Puratan copy is kept here at Harmandir Sahib in the Akal Takht Sahib, which we will visit next. Back in day 3 part 1 video, I'd given a little bit of a context around the 5 Takht Sahibs that are there in Sikhism. Now, the one we are seeing now is Akal Takht Sahib, which is right outside the main kiwad of the Darbar Sahib, right? Now, while Darbar Sahib was for prayer and sadhana, Akal Takht Sahib was a place of strategy and laws, hence the placement. Now, Akal Takht, which literally means throne of the timeless, was founded by the 6th Guru Sahib, Guru Har Gobind Ji. Guru Har Gobind Sahib used to hold his court and listen to the vows of the needy here. Guru wore 2 swords of Miri and Piri at this place. The concept of the Mir and the Pir, which is temporal power and spiritual authority, is a gift by Guru Har Gobind Sahib. After the martyrdom of his father Guru Arjan Dev Ji, which was the 5th Guru Sahib introduced the 2 swords of Miri and Piri, symbolizing both worldly and spiritual authority. The sword of Piri was kept longer, symbolizing the necessity of authority stemming out of a fully conscious or spiritual core. This fulfilled the prophecy that Baba Buddha Ji once had blessed Mata Ganga Ji with. Mata Ganga Ji was the mother of Guru Har Gobind Sahib, the 6th Guru Sahib, and the wife of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the 5th Guru Sahib. Baba Buddha Ji had prophesied that she would be blessed with a son who would crush evil. I'll quickly circle back to Baba Buddha Ji in a while. Now, what you just saw is Gurdwara Thada Sahib and Gurdwara Paura Sahib, where the 9th Guru Sahib, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, rested when he arrived from Baba Bakala Ji to pay his respects to Darbar Sahib. Baba Bakala Ji is a holy place which we'll visit tomorrow, or rather day 7 of the video. While you darshan a couple of Gurdwara Sahibs that you see on screen now, I'll rotate back to the history of Baba Buddha Ji. Now, Baba Buddha Ji is very significant in all realms of Sikh history. Once Sri Guru Nanak Sahib Maharaj was returning from Kartarpur and the boy Bura was grazing his cattle near village Ramdas. He saw Guru Sahib and presented milk with great reverence. The boy Bura put out some questions about God and made some discussion. Guru Sahib was much impressed upon this boy's simple but serious approach. On this, Guru Nanak Sahib called him Buddha, the old one, because Bura was yet young in age but old in wisdom. Since then, Bura became Baba Buddha Ji. Now, Beri Baba Buddha Ji is a historic Beri tree in the Sri Harmandir Sahib complex associated with Baba Buddha Ji. Baba Buddha Ji camped beneath this tree to perform the service of digging the holy Sarovar Sahib and the construction work of Sri Harmandir Sahib. Now, remember this memorial? This was right outside the entrance to Jallianwala Bagh. We are now going to head into Jallianwala Bagh and explore the 6.5 acre garden that got turned into a bloodbath on April the 13th, 1919, when under the orders of General Dyer, the British Indian Army massacred Sangat and peaceful protesters alike. the garden or the Bagh still has the gravity of the bloodbath that happened here on the Baisakhi day. Now, there was a museum within the garden which kind of showcased a small movie which would describe the events of that date. So, here's a snippet of that. We are now headed to Gurdwara Baba Deep Singh Ji Shaheed. Recall from earlier on, we visited the shrine of Baba Deep Singh Ji, where he laid down his head at the parikrama of Sri Harmandir Sahib. This place marks the Antim Sthan for Baba Deep Singh Ji. We could do dedicated hour-long videos on Baba Buddha Ji, Baba Deep Singh Ji and Banda Bahadur Ji, and it would not contain their greatness. I pray I get a chance to do so. But for now, I'm signing off for the day. Tomorrow we leave for Baba Bakala Sahib. I'll see you then.